Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2015 Ducati MONSTER 821 with ABS. This bike only has 4,300 miles and is offered for $74.90 here at Contra Costa Powersports on consignment. This is a great sport bike from Ducati, super fun to ride, super clean. We're going to be putting 2 brand new tires on it. We also went through it, did an oil change, safety check, and she's all dialed and ready to go. Has a nice little rear cowl on the back. It's just an all-around fun Ducati bike. You're going to save thousands of dollars off a pre-owned one for this super clean one with only 4,300 miles. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.